Level J. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we break the music to love power. We break down and let's try and get the message behind the song. Sometimes looking at words and my lyrics, we give positive feedback. We inspire others, we give positive feedback. Basically, we post non-toxic and content. What is up, bro? We are still here and we are growing every day. So currently, as I'm shooting this, we are sitting on 511 subscribers. Yes. So, hey, guys, we are growing. But now, man, still waiting. Haven't got nothing yet. But anyway, as hey, I didn't delete this video. Anyway, I see Kolapo. Hey, hey, Lumshato Lobo and Zagala was huge, man. I mean, videos are still getting uploaded. Naman. Like, even now, yo. So, we are reacting to Izazi Zepio Guidance. Imvula enkulu iyeza. Don't know the church? Never heard of it? It's the first time, so without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it, y'all. Ooh. Like, what's up with like lately, man? I've been hearing songs of Shanga based that start like a suspense to an action movie, bro. Classic, classic. This is classic right here, bro. This is classic. I've heard this song numerous times. Classic song, bro. Where do all these churches come from? Where do all these churches come from? One. Secondly, where do all of them singers come from? Like, explain that to someone and be like, I thought they've been around for years. What do you mean they've been around for years, man? Like, what do you mean? God. Let me look in. As that guy will have move and the male back. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that, bro. That alto just swung, bro. They just went like. Why y'all giving us up videos, bro? Yo, better make sure. Ukuti told us the first part of this. No, guys, no, don't do that to us. Don't do that to us. But damn, you guys sound amazing. Zazi Zepio Guidance. Izazi Zepio Guidance. You sound good. No, you sound good. Yabona manje ngijabulile because I saw so many names kulenye ibandla comes get something something. Angilazi. I'm like, this is what I want. Churches I've never heard of, bro. Oh my god. Noma ini ngizokubuza sazi. Like and if someone Okonza gonna finds this video, hope they will. Can you explain this to me? How do you sound like alto? Yeah, number one, I have to take to consideration good the hole is big. Number one, I love like the hole is big, so chances of your voice being the way it's supposed to be are very low, obviously. And second, aniko baning, and yet you guys sound so good. Alto and it sounds like what's the word I'm looking for? I know there's different levels to alto, but the way it sounds, ne, it's oh my god, it sounds so. You know, I'm looking for a word. I want the word as with my English. Yeah, alto and it sounds so soft. How do you guys do that? Like it's high, but it's soft. Yeah, it's high, but it's so how? Like just how? Like cause I'm like listening and I'm like, yo, bro, why does it sound so it sounds so high, but yet it's soft? Like how, bro? How? Hi Zazi. Why am I only finding you guys now? Is what Ow, Swinchy. The same thing in Kotkisho. How do you guys sound so high and soft at the same time? How? Like, how do you guys sound so soft? Hmm. Tell me so that I can tell the masses how. Kalea. You better write down the lyrics down for me, please. We always need to give our as in we all have opinions, guys. Those are honest now. There's a lot of room for improvement. Always, 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 always. Number one, Zazi, I don't know where you guys come from. You guys sound so good for the number of people that you guys listen. I've reacted to videos where there were lesser people, but they managed to fill up the room. You know, that's what I want. I want people to show up. I want bangasab. Yeah, when people get there, people must be like, hey, man, yeah, wanna buy 20 mara you. Are you kidding me? Oh no, man, that was good, man. No, another one. Zazi. Hey. Oh, that was good. Peace. Yeah, peace. Peace. But Nakona, you can tell it was just excitement, man. I mean, people were excited to be in the building. What more can I say? So, yo, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to his YouTube channel. So, yo, in the favorite Twitter, Mr. Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios.